Think you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to make money on YouTube? Nope. That is the criteria to earn ad revenue, but most of your favorite people on YouTube don't rely on ad revenue alone, mostly because it can be unpredictable. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways to make money on YouTube without being monetized in terms of ad revenue through the YouTube Partner Program. If you're ready to turn your content into cash, stick around. Okay, first up is affiliate marketing. This is one of the fastest and easiest ways to earn money on YouTube. Here's how it works. You recommend a product you already use and love. You get a special link to share in the description box on YouTube, and when somebody buys through your link, you earn a commission. For example, if you're a tech YouTuber, you can link to the camera and the microphone or the software you use. Amazon Associates, TubeBuddy or VidIQ or ClickBank, they all have great affiliate programs you can get started with quite easily. And here's a pro tip. Drop your links in the description box and say in your video, check the links below for my favorite tools. You have to give people that call to action. Next, you could sell a digital product. This is a game changer because you keep 100% of the profit. So even a simple $29 guide or a checklist or an ebook can make a huge impact. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Just ask yourself, what's a problem my audience has? How can I solve that problem in a simple PDF or maybe a course? And if your videos teach something valuable, you could package that knowledge into a product and sell it directly. So for example, if you help people grow on YouTube, you could create a YouTube content blueprint and sell it in your description. I've done that here, and that link is in the description box below. Finally, there's coaching and consulting. Did you know people will pay you for your expertise even if you have a small audience? That's one of the things I do as well to monetize my channels. And if you want to do a personalized one-to-one YouTube Kickstart coaching session with me, that link is in the description box below, and you can book one. By all means, I look forward to meeting you. And I'd love to help you with a strategy to reach your first 1,000 subscribers. If you have knowledge in fitness or business or marketing or painting or sewing or any skill really, you can offer a one-to-one coaching session or even group sessions, and you don't need thousands of subscribers, you just need the right audience. You can start by creating a simple landing page where people can visit and book a call with you, or you can even just link directly to a calendar app such as Calendly. That's quite a popular one. You could offer a free 15-minute consultation to attract clients. Some people refer to this method as a discovery call, and I used to do them, but I made a decision to stop a while ago now because it's time spent not directly generating revenue, and eventually you have to make some decisions about the value of your time and where to spend it. It's not a bad idea to try discovery calls though. They can work particularly well in some specific niches. Then of course you want to promote your coaching in your videos and in the description box like I just did. Whatever your area of expertise, you can offer personalized feedback or even general lessons in a group coaching setting. This is exactly how small channels are making money on YouTube without 1,000 subscribers. Affiliate marketing, where you promote your tools that you already use, selling a digital product like a $29 guide, or coaching and consulting, where you just don't need a big audience, you just need to be attracting the right audience. Now tell me in the comments, which method are you most likely or most excited to try? And if you do want my YouTube content blueprint with even more strategies, as I've mentioned, you can grab that in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this was helpful, and I hope to see you in one of these helpful videos next. All the best.